Nissan. Let's see, what does he have here? 4-cylinder headers. Nissan Sentra. Okay, Goodyear tires. Real sticky. MSD ignition. It's a brake differential. Separates brakes back and front. Steel belted radials. This thing seemed to fly. It's a Nissan. And an Altima. Got exhaust. Yeah. Looks like I might have a cool suit. Everything. Nice looking ride. Nissan Altima. Mini race car. More mini race cars. That's one of them. See you later, guys. Nice.